Chinese green technologies have garnered attention at Talk Europe 2023, a major European exhibition for port and container supply chain professionals, which concluded on Thursday in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. Participants in the three-day event hosted by the Rotterdam Ahoy Convention Center included China's ZPMC, one of the world's largest port machinery manufacturers, and Westwell, a leading supplier of artificial intelligence-driven smart port solutions. Niels Royce, Alliance Coordinator Asia of Copenhagen-based Danish shipping giant Maersk, told Xinhua that he had a very good impression of the Chinese suppliers in the terminal equipment industry.
Generally, I have a very good impression. I think generally within this industry, terminal equipment, Chinese suppliers are on the very top. The technology is on the very top. So within certain technologies, they are in the forefront. For example, on the electrification with all the battery technology, China. Within automation, they are in front. So I would say Chinese suppliers in general are very much on top of that.
ZPMC, also known as Shanghai Zhenhua Heavy Industries Cooperation Limited, exhibited its green and low-carbon port products, including hydrogen-fueled cranes and rapid hydrogen refueling technologies.